Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 26th November. Let's start. In the year of 1881, on this day, Nathuram Premi, a famous writer, poet, linguist and editor in the field of Jainism as well as Hindi literature, was born. In the year of 1885, on this day, the meteorite was photographed for the first time. This photo was taken by Austro-Hungarian astronomer Ladislaus Wernicke. In the year of 1919, on this day, Ramcharan Sharma, India's famous historian and educationist, was born. In the year of 1921, on this day, Varghese Kurian, considered the father of the White Revolution in the country, was born. In the year of 1926, on this day, Yashpal, India's famous scientist and educationist, was born. He was known for his contribution to the study of cosmic rays as well as for being an institution builder. In the year of 1949, on this day, the Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India and it came into force on 26 January 1950. In the year of 1995, on this day, Shankar Dayal Sharma, Indian politician and Hindi literature, passed away. He was one of the youngest members of the 5th Lok Sabha, in which he represented the Chatra parliamentary constituency in Bihar. In the year of 2002, on this day, Winston Churchill was voted the greatest British citizen in a BBC poll. In the year of 2003, on this day, India accepted Pakistan's offer of ceasefire in Kashmir. In the year of 2006, on this day, 202 people were killed in a bomb blast in Iraq. In the year of 2008, on this day, there was a suicide terrorist attack in the city of Mumbai. The terrorists had entered the Taj Hotel and took many guests hostage. It was liberated by the Indian Army after 3 days of action. In the year of 2012, on this day, 10 children were killed and 15 were injured in an airstrike in Syria. In the year of 2012, on this day, Arvind Kejriwal formed a new political party named Aam Aadmi Party. In the year of 2014, on this day, famous historian Tapan Roy Chaudhary passed away. He was an Indian historian specializing in British Indian history, Indian economic history, and the history of Bengal. In the year of 2018, on this day, after a 7-month journey, NASA's InSight mission landed on Mars. In the year of 2018, on this day, General Motors announced it would close 5 factories in North America, losing 1,400 jobs. In the year of 2019, on this day, a 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck Albania centered on Durrës city, killing at least 51 people and injuring hundreds. In 2020, today, Fakir Chand Kohli, the founder of Tata Consultancy Services, known as the father of the Indian IT industry, passed away. Apart from being the founder, he was also the first CEO of TCS. In the year of 2020, on this day, the largest solar power project under the Centre's Make in India initiative was set up at Leh IAF station in the Union Territory of Ladakh to provide sustainable energy alternatives to fossil fuels and traditional methods of energy production. In 2020, today's National Investment Promotion and Facilitation Agency, Invest India, partnered with the United Nations Development Programme, India to develop the SDG Investor Map for India for the first time. In the year of 2020, on this day, 10 central trade unions, along with several other independent unions, called for a Bharat Bandh against the new agriculture and labour laws introduced by the government. In the year of 2020, on this day, National High Speed Rail Corporation and Larsen and Toubro signed India's largest ever government-funded rupees 24,000 crore for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad Bullet Train project. In the year of 2021, today is celebrated as National Milk Day. Since 2014, 26 November is observed as National Milk Day in India to commemorate the birthday of Dr. Verghese Kurian, also known as Milkman of India, the father of India's White Revolution. All the dairy heads of country, including National Dairy Development Board, Indian Dairy Association, along with the 22 state-level milk unions, had fixed the day. In 2021, today is celebrated as National Constitution Day. is celebrated across India to commemorate the adoption of the Indian Constitution. That's all. Thanks for watching and support. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.